Stopwatch sentiment duration. A 7-day stretch of fear signifies prolonged investor apprehension, which could suppress buying pressure and potentially contribute to price stagnation or decline. Index range. The 9-point range 2920 suggests moderate volatility in fear levels, indicating that sentiment is not entirely static but oscillates within a constrained band. Water wave market psychology. The persistent fear reading underscores a cautious market psychology, where investors prioritize capital preservation over risk-taking. Chains correlation potential. Analyzing the fear and greed index alongside price charts and trading volumes could reveal correlations between sentiment and market movements. White considerations. The data clearly indicates a prolonged period of fear in the cryptocurrency market, potentially impacting trading strategies and investment decisions. Further analysis correlating the sentiment data with price action and volume could refine trading signals and risk management protocols. Based on the prevailing fear, conservative strategies such as shorting or remaining in stablecoins may be favored, while aggressive long positions should be approached with extreme caution. Money bag total value locked. Total value locked (TVL) represents the aggregate value of crypto assets deposited in DeFi protocols. TVL exceeding $10 billion signals substantial network adoption and liquidity. Chart increasing network growth. Network growth measured by daily active addresses indicates user engagement and protocol utility. Consistent increases suggest rising demand and potential for price appreciation. Droplet liquidity pool size. Liquidity pool size directly impacts trading efficiency and reduces slippage. Pools exceeding $50 million demonstrate robust market participation and capital commitment. Chains on-chain transaction volume. On-chain transaction volume reflects network activity and user participation. Volume surpassing $100 million signal healthy demand and protocol usage. Rocket performance since inception. Performance since inception measures the cumulative return on investment. Gains exceeding 500% indicate strong investor interest and potential for continued growth. Market capitalization. Market capitalization, calculated as circulating supply multiplied by price, provides a robust partnership ecosystem, expands protocol reach and adoption. Strategic alliances with established institutions and projects foster growth and innovation. White heavy checkmark quality of code audits. Thorough code audits minimize vulnerabilities and enhance security. Positive audit reports from reputable firms build trust and attract investors. Chart decreasing churn rate. Churn rate measures the percentage of users exiting the platform. A churn rate below 5% indicates high user retention and platform stickiness. Innovation in tokenomics. Innovative tokenomics incentivize user participation and long-term holding. Unique reward mechanisms and governance models drive engagement and value creation. Stopwatch latency of transactions. Low transaction latency ensures a seamless user experience. Latency below 5 seconds is critical for high-frequency trading and real-time applications. Money bag revenue generation. Revenue generation demonstrates the protocol's financial sustainability. Consistent revenue streams attract investors and fund future development. Network scalability. Network scalability ensures the protocol can handle increasing transaction volumes. Scalable architectures are crucial for mass adoption and long-term viability. Locked security breaches. Absence of security breaches builds trust and safeguards user funds. Most mentioned ticker on X is Kernel. Price action: Kernel currently trades at 0.1037, experiencing a 1-hour decrease of 3.22% and a 24-hour decline of 11.35%. This indicates short-term bearish momentum. Droplet volume analysis: Kernel's 24-hour volume reaches $121.89 million, suggesting significant trading activity despite the price decrease. High volume often accompanies strong trends. Market capitalization: with a market cap of $24.58 million, Kernel remains a micro-cap asset, implying higher volatility and risk compared to larger-cap cryptocurrencies. Hourglass not done unlock schedule: the next token unlock of $547.55 K is scheduled in 2 days, potentially introducing selling pressure if holders choose to liquidate their holdings post-unlock. Currency exchange stablecoin performance: USDC has jumped 13 spots in rankings, currently priced at 0.9995, demonstrating relative stability with minimal hourly 0.02% and daily 0% price fluctuations. Water Wave USDC volume: USDC's 24-hour volume is $17.8 million, reflecting consistent demand for the stablecoin. Classical MARKETCAP stability: USDC's market cap is $86.94 million, reinforcing its position as a leading stablecoin with substantial liquidity. White considerations: the data highlights contrasting scenarios. Kernel exhibits high volatility and upcoming unlock risk, while USDC displays increasing with yen fear index trends. The Fear and Greed Index exhibited a consistent pattern of fear throughout the observed week, fluctuating between 20 and 29. Warning: risk assessment: a sustained fear reading signals heightened market uncertainty and potential for increased volatility, requiring cautious trading strategies. Chart decreasing performance analysis: the index remained below 50, indicating prevailing negative sentiment and a risk-off approach among investors throughout the period. Data variability: the Fear and Greed Index experienced a relatively narrow range of fluctuation, suggesting a consistent, albeit negative, market mood over the week. Stopwatch temporal insights: the highest fear reading occurred on 4/11/27, while the lowest was recorded on 7/11/21, demonstrating a minor shift in sentiment during the observed timeframe. Chains-on-chain implications: prolonged fear readings may lead to increased selling pressure and potential accumulation opportunities for long-term investors. Shopping cart market behavior: the consistent fear suggests a lack of conviction among buyers and a dominance of sellers, potentially leading to further price declines. Innovation opportunities: identifying assets that demonstrate resilience during periods of fear could present lucrative investment opportunities for contrarian traders. White considerations: the provided data focuses solely on the Fear and Greed Index, offering a limited snapshot of overall market conditions. A comprehensive analysis would necessitate incorporating additional indicators such as trading volume, on-chain metrics, and macroeconomic factors. Based on the current data, a conservative trading approach is advised, with a focus on risk management and capital preservation. Additional take profits could be set at the following levels, assuming a potential bullish reversal: TP1, 30 short-term; TP2, 35 mid-term; TP3, 40 long-term. Calculating the weekly average fear level: 29 plus 24 plus 25 plus 21 plus 24 plus 20 plus 27/7 equals 24.71. This confirms the dominance of fear throughout the week. Chart increasing with yen total value locked. Total value locked (TVL) represents the aggregate value of crypto assets deposited in decentralized finance DeFi protocols. TVL exceeding $10 billion signals strong network adoption and user confidence. Chains-on-chain activity: on-chain activity measured by transaction counts and unique addresses reflects network usage and user engagement. Increased activity often correlates with positive price momentum. Droplet liquidity (POOLs). Liquidity pool sizes demonstrate the availability of assets for trading and reduce slippage. Pools exceeding $50 million indicate robust market depth and trading volume. Rocket performance trends including daily, weekly, monthly gains, reveal the vulnerabilities. Projects with comprehensive audits minimize potential exploits. Money bag revenue generation. Revenue generation measured by protocol fees and transaction volume demonstrates financial sustainability. High revenue indicates a thriving ecosystem. Direct hit strategy implementation. Strategy implementation encompasses project roadmap execution and milestone achievement. Consistent progress builds investor confidence. Data analysis, including charting and technical indicators, identifies potential trading opportunities. Utilizing moving averages and RSI can optimize entry-exit points. Gear scalability solutions such as Layer 2 protocols address network congestion and improve transaction throughput. Enhanced scalability enables wider adoption. Package supply analysis tracking token distribution and circulating supply reveals potential inflationary pressures. Controlled supply can support price stability. Stopwatch time-locked value. Time-locked value (TLV) indicates the amount of capital locked for a specific duration. High TLV signifies long-term commitment and reduces potential sell-offs. Innovation Index assessing unique features and technological advancements distinguishes projects from competitors. Novel solutions attract early adopters. Handshake Partnership Network encompassing collaborations with established entities enhances project credibility and reach. Strategic partnerships drive growth. Locked security audits conducted by reputable firms validate smart contract integrity and minimize vulnerabilities. Most mentioned ticker on X is RESOLV. Chart increasing with yen price action. RESOLV currently trades at 0.1386, exhibiting a 1-hour decrease of 4.29% and a 24-hour increase of 19.22%. Droplet volume and MARKTCAP. RESOLV's daily volume stands at $92.87 million, supporting a market capitalization of $45.91 million. Hourglass Not Done Unlock Schedule. A $2.55 million unlock is scheduled in 15 days, potentially impacting supply dynamics. Chart increasing SDRAX performance. SDRAX demonstrates a 24-hour increase of 2.3%, currently priced at 0.02985, with a 1-hour decrease of 0.27%. SDRAX volume and MARKETCAP. SDRAX records a daily volume of $46.86 million, correlating to a market capitalization of $60.41 million. White considerations. Given the data, RESOLV exhibits higher volatility and a significant upcoming unlock event requiring careful monitoring. SDRAX shows more stable, albeit lower, growth. Potential take-profit levels for RESOLV could be set at 15 cents and 17 cents, while SDRAX could target 0.032 and 0.035. Additional analysis of on-chain data would further refine these strategies. volatility implications. The fear index provides a leading indicator of potential price swings, allowing for proactive risk management. Money bag trading strategies. Fearful markets can present opportunities for contrarian investing but require careful evaluation of underlying fundamentals. Average fear level. The average fear and greed index value for the week is approximately 24.6, confirming a predominantly fearful market environment. Stop sign alert. The consistent fear readings necessitate vigilant monitoring of market developments and potential for rapid shifts in sentiment. White considerations. The data reveals a clear pattern of fear dominating market sentiment throughout the week. This suggests a high degree of risk aversion among investors, potentially leading to further price declines or consolidation. Additional take profit levels could be set at 5%, 10%, and 15% above the entry point, depending on risk tolerance and market conditions. The average fear level of 24.6 serves as a baseline for evaluating future sentiment shifts. Money bag total value locked. Total value locked (TVL) represents the aggregate value of crypto assets deposited in decentralized finance DeFi protocols. TVL exceeding $10 billion signals strong network adoption and liquidity. Chart increasing network growth. Network growth measured by daily active addresses indicates user engagement and protocol activity. A consistent increase suggests growing network effects and potential for price appreciation. Droplet liquidity providers. Liquidity providers LPs contribute assets to liquidity pools, enabling decentralized trading. Monitoring LP behavior deposits withdrawals reveals confidence and protocol health. Chains on-chain analytics. On-chain analytics, including transaction volume and gas usage, provides insights into network activity and user behavior. Increased activity often correlates with positive price movements. Robot face AI-powered trading. AI-powered trading bots automate strategies, enhancing market efficiency and liquidity. Monitoring bot activity can reveal market sentiment and potential trading opportunities. Warning risk assessment. Risk assessment involves evaluating smart contract security, impermanent loss, and regulatory compliance. Thorough due diligence mitigates potential vulnerabilities. Hourglass not done time weighted average price. Time-weighted average price (TWAP) provides a more accurate price reference than spot prices, minimizing manipulation. TWAP is crucial for executing large trades. Derivatives volume, including futures and options, reflects market speculation and hedging activity. High volume indicates strong investor interest. Money bag revenue generation. Revenue generation through fees and token rewards sustains protocol development and incentivizes participation. Consistent revenue growth is a positive indicator. Rocket performance benchmark. Performance benchmarks comparing returns against competitors assess protocol efficiency and profitability. Audits. Quality audits conducted by reputable firms verify smart contract security and functionality. Independent verification builds trust. Currency exchange currency PAIRS. Currency pairs traded on decentralized exchanges DEXs reflect market demand and liquidity. Most mentioned ticker on X is AVL. Price action: AVL currently trades at 0.1924, exhibiting a 1-hour decrease of 1.06% and a 24-hour increase of 12.56%. This indicates short-term bearish pressure countered by a recent bullish surge. Droplet volume analysis: AVL's trading volume stands at $129.62 million, suggesting significant investor interest and potential volatility. High volume often confirms price movements. Market capitalization: with a market capitalization of $48.87 million, AVL is a small-cap cryptocurrency, presenting both higher risk and potential for substantial gains. Hourglass not done unlock schedule: the next token unlock of $54.98 is scheduled in 0 days, potentially introducing selling pressure if unlocked tokens are immediately offloaded. Currency exchange stablecoin performance: USDC, a stablecoin, experienced a notable increase in mentions, jumping 17 spots in rankings. Its price remains stable at 0.9996, with minimal hourly 0.04% and daily 0.2% fluctuations. Moneybag USDC volume and MCAP: USDC's 24-hour volume is $17.97 million, and its market capitalization is $87 million, reflecting its role as a widely used stablecoin for trading and liquidity. Warning: risk assessment: AVL's volatility and small market cap necessitate careful risk management. USDC as a stablecoin carries minimal price risk but relies on the backing asset stability. White considerations: the provided data focuses on short-term price action, volume, and upcoming unlocks. Further analysis should incorporate on-chain data, social sentiment, and project fundamentals to assess long-term viability. Additional take profits for AVL could be set at 21 cents, $3.00